Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Design with Lomis. Today we are going to learn how to change a stock image color, right? We are going to learn how to actually change the color of a dress to a desired color that will suit or blend with your flyer or any design you have in mind. For this task today, the one below, this very one below, was the original color, and the one at the top was the color we changed. So without wasting much of your time, I will quickly go begin our program so that I can teach us how to change the color of our clothes, right? First thing, we need to go to the original interface. Go default setting, then take off the text, which is this part. You just delete it, the highlighted part. Alright, what you need to do now is just to bring your image. You go to your folder which the image is located. Remember, your image must be in a PNG file. Is that understood? So we go to our image. Here we have our to your relative position so that it can be fit to the middle. Is that understood? It can be fit to the middle. Now what you need to do is to after going to your relative position, you now come and copy this. You are copying the image, you click copy. After clicking the copy, you still go back to your relative position. Is that understood? Go back to your relative position. They are properly blend. After going back to your relative position, you now go to eraser. This is the eraser. You now click to your eraser. After clicking it, now this is the particular place where the works begin. Now every part that is not being clothed, that's every part that is unclothed, which is the hand, the head, the mouth, the face, we are going to erase every bit of it. Is that understood? Now you click here. Alright, click here, click your zoom button so that you can actually zoom it and erase the. Now we have our handle, the eraser handle. Good. Here we have it. So every part that is not clothed, we are going to take it off, and one needs to be very careful so it will not remove so it will not expose your work. Okay, a zoom button, come here, highlight it. Every part that is not clothed, you take it, you ensure that you get rid of it. You understand? Yeah, zoom, go to the next hand. You can actually reduce the size of the eraser. Read it. Zoom back, check your work properly. Check each and every. Now after doing that, you click to the check mark. Now after clicking to the check mark, you now go to you go to color filter. Is that understood? This is actually the last, almost the last part, the color. Now you go to your color filter. then you click. Is that understood? You can actually see how the color changes. Now here is the magic. Let me take it. You see, this is the part which actually did the magic. Let me take it back again. You go to your relative position. Is that understood? Aha, they are fitted. Now what you need to do so that it won't be distorted, you just go to your select, go here, then you try to match them so that they will be fixed to each other. Then you come here, click this very spot. Are you sure you want to match them? Then you match them. After matching them, you see that it can be moved because they are attached to each other. Is that understood? So that's basically it. Now let me bring some background so that I can actually spice it, make it looks good, and I will equally bring the original photo too so that we can check them. All right, we go to our gallery. After going to your gallery, go to your photos. From your photos, here is the background. You go to my download. Here is the download. After clicking there, check mark, go to your relative size. Here is the relative size so that I can enlarge the background. Now draw it fully. Now I can draw it manually also. You have it. Come back here, bring it downward. Is that understood? We have our background. So let's go now and bring the original image. The original image. Now here is the original image. We have it. We bring it downward. Is that understood? Now we go again, click on the plus button. Start clicking on the plus button. We now go to our download also. There is a PNG background which I have. I'm going to include it so that it can make it look okay. Here we have it. Go again, click on the plus button. Let's go back to that particular folder again. Your download. We are using this. That understood? Click on it. Bring it here. Now we're going to take it behind. Again, draw it downward. So after I'm going to show us why we copy it and erase the image without actually erasing it directly. Now this is the reason why we do so, because when you try to color, when you go to your color filter and try to do so, let me highlight this. When you go to your color filter, let's go to our color filter, and trying to do this at the original image. Actually, when you try to do this by clicking at your hue, when you try to erase, you see that color is actually affecting the color overflows, and it affects including the face, the hand, and each and every part of you. So the reason why we do this by create and erase the unclothed part, which is the head and the hand, these are the reason, so that we will not have any overflow of color. Is that it? So that is basically it. Thank you for tuning to my YouTube channel, Design with Lomis. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get informed each time I upload a new video. Thank you once again for your time. Do have a nice day.